Ears open, eyes wide. Let's explore.
The sun waves goodnight. The moon is waking up. Your eyes feel heavy, like two sleepy curtains closing. Yawn. But wait, closing your eyes isn't turning off like a light switch. It turns on a secret, magical workshop inside you. Let's peek inside, starting with your head. While you sleep and dream, your brain is doing an important job underneath. It acts like a librarian, sorting all the things you learned today onto tidy shelves so you remember them tomorrow. Then, your brain takes a bath. Gentle, sparkly waves wash away the foggy, tired feelings. It scrubs away the mess so you can think clearly in the morning. Your brain is clean, but what about your body? Think of your body like a race car. You can't change the tires while driving fast. You have to park in the garage first. Sleep is your garage. Now that you are parked safely in the garage, you can get an upgrade. Your bones quietly stretch out, making you just a tiny bit taller and bigger than you were yesterday. And think of all the jumping, climbing, and playing you did. That fun uses up a lot of muscle power, so tonight the mechanics come to repair them. They weave in new strength so you can play even harder tomorrow. But the mechanics don't just fix muscles. They also fix cuts and scrapes. If you have a boo-boo, they work together to make a living bandage, placing a smooth patch of new skin right over the ouchie. While all these repairs are happening, there is one superstar team player who needs a break: your heart. It worked hard pumping blood all day long. Now it finally gets to slow down and rest, beating gently while the mechanics finish their job. Slowly, the sun peeks in. The night work is finished. Your brain is sparkly clean, and your body is fixed up, taller and strong. You open your eyes, ready for a brand new adventure. Sleep is the magic that helps you be the amazing you. You did such a great job exploring with us today, but the fun isn't over yet. Lumi has left a special curiosity challenge hidden in the description box below. Ask your grown-up to read it to you so you can chat about it together. Keep that curiosity glowing. We will see you at the next adventure with Lumi and Me.